If you're looking for a fast, smart, and beautifully designed smartphone experience, ColorOS might be the perfect UI for you. Nextdroid has just dropped the initial release of ColorOS ROM version 15.0.2 based on Android 15. Here's an easy guide on how to install this ROM.
To start with, power off your device and reboot to fast boot mode by holding power and volume down button until the fast boot logo appears. Connect the device to your computer via USB cable. On your computer, you need to download this ROM. Download link is provided in the description box below. Now, extract or unzip the ROM. After extracting, simply select Windows Install and Format Data.bat and run it as administrator. This option is recommended for a clean flash. Now, you may encounter this pop-up menu. Just type Y to proceed. Flashing will now start. Do not disconnect your phone during this time to avoid error or brick.
Windows CMD will auto-close once flashing is done, while your device will also auto-reboot to system. Simply set it up like a new device, Here you go! We have successfully flashed the ColorOS custom ROM. Here's a quick preview of the ROM.
Comment down your thoughts about this ROM and don't forget to like and subscribe. Full review coming soon. Cheers!